water? Is that just like a really bad? No, a bunch of really bad. Let's go over here. Oh, I touched his tail. Not over there. Oh, there he is. That little booger.
That I don't know. I've been following Bailey since she was Neg.
Oh, she was born here, or they just found the egg?
It was this whole drama. I was watching this webcam on in Maine, and her two siblings were snatched by a great horned owl. Then she fell out of the nest because there was an invasion of hornets. Like, it was one drama after another. And then she got knocked out of the sky by an eagle, and then got knocked out twice. So, like, one thing after other is like a soap opera. All last summer. And then after the second time of being knocked down by the eagle, they brought her to rehab up there, and she was there for a few weeks, and then transported her down here.
Which one is down?
So that Bailey is on the stump. Smedley can't fly. He has an injured wing.
Yeah, I see.
She's
Trying to
been
get up on
following
that.
the other one since she was an egg. It's like one thing happened after her two.
I mean, it's
nestlings
an unreal story, and some of the things that we actually saw live on the webcam are going to be written up because the mother, after the second baby was snatched, she totally changed her behavior, and it was always assumed Osprey couldn't see at night. She fought off the owl when he tried to take Bailey, and we saw this live, and it's scary as hell. And she went off flying pitch black, and we thought that Osprey couldn't see at night. And the fact that, and she totally changed her behavior. She came off of the perch to guard her remaining chick. And like the researchers are like following this because we were learning so much new about this, and it's definitely going to be a Disney movie at some point. Like, this is a true life story, and so many of us watching this webcam got caught up in the drama, and you couldn't have written a better script. It was like amazing, and watching it unfold in real time, scary as hell. Is the two chicks.
So what else happened? Two got snatched up by a great horned owl.
And then the owl returned, tried to snatch her. The mother fought off the owl twice. Then there was a hornet's nest underneath the bird's nest, and there was an invasion of the hornets. The chick still couldn't fly yet, hadn't fledged yet. Fell out of the nest trying to escape the hornets. Got put in a neighboring nest across the lake that there was another osprey couple They had a chick that wasn't viable, so they thought it was an empty nest. Transported over there. The other couple returns, like, you know, who are you? And started to threaten the chick. So they hastily built a brand new nest and transported it back in the middle of the night. Then she was there until she fledged.
Did the mother return?
The mother returned, was feeding her, started flying, and then seemed to be stuck in a tree across the lake for a long, like wasn't flying the same, it didn't seem to be learning to hunt. Then an eagle knocked it out of the sky, and they took it to check in, and they were monitoring the injuries from the original horned owl attack. Set her back out, got knocked down again. So,
Wow.
yeah, I mean, it's just,
Jeez.
and this was just in a matter of weeks.
Wow.
And people were like, yeah, you're getting addicted to that webcam. It's like, yeah. Because you couldn't even
And
write
it's
this.
Bailey? I have to remember. And where was she originally from, you said?
It's a Hog Island Audubon camp in Maine.
In Maine.
And like you can watch the webcam, the Steve and Rachel are the couple, the adult couple that they migrate to Brazil every year, come back. So we followed the chicks last year. So they'll be returning in about a month or